Hi all. Now I am going to install Angular application in my machine. So before that, we need a Node.js setup, then Angular CLA installation, and for writing or editing the code, you need some IDE called Visual Studio Code, which is free version. You can install it in your machine. These are the requirements of softwares or packages before installing Angular. So the next thing is before going into Angular application, you need to learn JavaScript. You have some basic understanding of JavaScript, then HTML, and then CSS. Then you will understand more when we are going deep into Angular. So for learning first, you can go to angular.io. Then you can click on get started, and we have an option called setup. So in that setup it is mentioned all the steps we need to follow for setting up an Angular project in our local environment. So first thing is you need Node.js. So it is mentioned that for the latest Angular version you need to acquire active requires and active LTS or maintenance LTS. So when you click on the link, you will be able to find the versions of active LTS or maintenance LTS. So here, when I come to Node.js website, it is mentioned this is the LTS version. So it is a recommended version. So you can use the LTS version. So I am downloading the LTS version. So when I click on it, it will be downloaded, and you can double click on it, then click on next, then finally there will be an install. You can click on it and it will take some minutes to install our Node.js in our system. So we'll wait for some time. Maybe in your machine, if you have already Node.js has been installed or not, you can check using the commands like node -v or npm -v. I will show you within few seconds. Okay, Node.js has been successfully installed. You can click on the finish button, and if you want to check it has been successfully installed or not, either you can directly check whether Node.js has been installed. If you want to check via the command prompt, anywhere wherever you are going to you are going to create your Angular project, go to that section. For example, now I am going to create an Angular project directly in the desktop, so you can go to desktop and click the CMD option. Then it will be open the CMD, and you can test npm -v to check whether Node.js has been installed. You can see the particular version also. So now the version installed is 14.18.0 and the NPM version is 6.14.15. Our next step is we need to install Angular CLA. For that we have a command called npm install -g Angular CLA. This will install the Angular CLA latest version globally. Then you can copy it. You can run the command directly here. Okay, so Angular CLA has been installed successfully. You can type the once after the Angular CLA command CLA has been installed, you can access using ng command. So if you want to check ng minus version, You can see it is successfully installed, and we have Angular CLA version 12.2.8. Now it is 14 point everything, you can see it. Okay, the next step is like we need to create an Angular project using Angular CLA. For Angular CLA we need Node.js, and for Angular project we need an Angular CLA. This is a dependency. So for creating that workspace, you have to use ng command new then my app. My app is the app name. You can change the name as your wish. Now I am going to create a new project, ng new Angular app. This is the name you have to give. So whatever name you can give any name to this Angular project. That is up to you. You can click enter. It will ask many questions like routing is needed, CSS is needed. Right, as for now you can just click enter button. You can see in the desktop that Angular app folder has been created, your project has been created, and SRC all the files has been created. Now the step, what step is going on is like it is installing the packages which is inside the node modules. You can see now only staging folder, but it is installing required packages. You can see within seconds all the packages has been downloaded inside the node modules. That is a process going on right now. You can see that it got reflected. All the packages started getting downloaded inside the node modules. Now it has been successfully got installed. Now we are outside our Angular project. For running our Angular applications, you have to go to your Angular project. For the reference, you can see the steps here in the angular.io website. First, you need to go inside our Angular application, then open the application. That is the next step. So for going inside our application, you can give cd command. Cd your Angular application name. My Angular application name is Angular app. Then enter. Then to run your Angular application, you can either give ng serve command. It will run our Angular application into a port. It is a default port number is 4200. I can show you. This open is like what is the default browser in your machine. It will open this Angular application in the browser automatically. So either you can give open, or the shortcut of open is -o. you can see now that Angular application has been opened successfully in 4200 port. If you want to change the port number, what command you can give is like ngserve, then open in your default browser, then hyphen hyphen port equal to whatever port number you want to give. You can give that 4201 or any number you can give. So it will open that Angular application automatically in your browser with this port number. This is all about Angular initial setup. Now it has been run successfully. The next video will be like how to edit this Angular application and about the file structure and folder structure.